Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Teacher Meta Chem-is-try. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Brian Changley, and today we're gonna do a tour of my house and see if the materials is solid, liquid, and gas. We're gonna start right in here. If there's down fountain right here, and see if it's solid, liquid, and or gas. This here takes up mass and also takes up space. So of course, the leaves are solid. Take right in. Now, we're gonna go here, right there. We're gonna see if the water in my swimming pool is solid, liquid, and gas. First, the characteristic can be poured. Is it poured? Yeah, so this is liquid right here. Water. It is liquid. Now, this characteristic we cannot see it. Let's go. Let's breathe in. We breathe in oxygen, and when we breathe in oxygen, that oxygen is gas. Oxygen. So what we breathe in is gas. Take right there. Okay, now let's gonna go here. This, oh my goodness, door handle. Okay, this door handle right here takes up space and takes up mass. So door handle is solid. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. My house. Let's go to this pair of shoe. Okay, this pair of shoe here takes up space and takes up mass. So this right here, shoe, is a solid. Now we're gonna go to my toilet here. My toilet, I'm gonna open here. This is tap water. So tap water can be poured. So when tap water can be poured, it is liquid. Right there. Now this fan right here, it goes out some air. And air we can breathe, as you can see there. And also it can move through gaps and can be flushed. So air is gas. Now we're gonna go to the kitchen. Right here. In this red rice right there. Red rice. Is this red rice? Sorry, here. Red rice. Solid? Or is it liquid or gas? Well, it takes up space and takes up mass. So, red rice is solid. And then this bean bag right here. It takes up space. That is why we cannot go inside here. And it takes up mass if we put it on the mass balance. So it is solid also. Now we're gonna go in here. Yes. Inside there. It is drinkable water. And drinkable water can be poured and also it goes to its container. See its container. The shape is its container. So water, drinkable water. It is a liquid. Okay, I think that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy it, and that's all. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Brian, for submission your project. You deserve 20 stars for you. Congratulations.